So my name is Juwan Torres, and my major is biomedical sciences, and I'm graduating this upcoming May. So my future plans after Atlantic Cape is to either go to Rutgers or find a college that is either more down south that would be more accommodating to my lifestyle. And I plan to continue the years of my schooling to get my bachelor's and then administer myself into med school. And then future ambitions lie with becoming a cardiologist. So Atlantic Cape really offered me a lot of the different opportunities to grow, and not only grow in the aspects of bettering myself as a leader, but also grow in towards my future career as a cardiologist. So I choose to study cardiology because of a mass increase of heart disease plaguing not only just the United States, but the world. And there has been a seen increase in the number of specialty doctors, and my mother suffers from heart disease. And it also gives me the motivation to want to find resolution to these diseases that are starting to arise in our society. So my experiences has been, has its ups and downs with everything. Not every road is going to be smooth, but I can say this, a sense of having different obstacles lie in your path shows that you are growing. It's helping me find different solutions to many of the different problems I never knew how to solve. And so in the future, when I encounter these issues again, it will be a lot more easier for me to resolve these issues.